Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to our channel Nihongo De Mirai, and in this video we are going to learn how to ask a question in Japanese. In our previous video we have learned how to make a simple sentence, but in this video we will learn how to make a question sentence in the Japanese. Let's start. Hajimemashou. Guys, now if you want to ask a question in Japanese, just use the basic sentence pattern which we have learned in our previous video, and the pattern was like this: topic plus wa plus noun plus this, and add the question particle at the end of the sentence. I'll drop the link in description for this pattern. So our sentence pattern will become like this: subject plus wa particle plus noun plus this ka. So here we are adding ka at the end of this sentence, and if we want to omit the subject, then our pattern would be like this: noun plus this ka. Let's understand with an example. Here it is saying that Yamada-san wa gakusei desu. Here the person is telling us that Miss Yamada is a student. And in our next sentence, it is saying Yamada-san wa gakusei desu ka. So here we have added ka at the end of the sentence. It means the person is asking, is Miss Yamada a student? Here we have written this sentence without ka. So this was a statement like Miss Yamada is a student. And here the sentence is with ka. So statement has converted into a questionable sentence. And it becomes, is Miss Yamada a student? Unlike English, word order will never change in Japanese. It will be simple. We just have to add ka at the end of the sentence as a question mark. So here is one more example. It is saying Tomoko-san wa engineer desu ka. Engineer means engineer. So we have added ka at the end of the sentence. So our question will be like this: is Mr. Tomoko an engineer? If we will remove the ka, then it will become like this: Mr. Tomoko is an engineer. So just to make it a questionable sentence, we will add ka at the end. Friends, we can use question words as well in place of noun or adjective to ask a question, like nan nani, which means what, or nansai, which means how old. So let me make you understand with the help of an example. Here it is asking shumi wa nan desu ka. So here we have replaced the noun with nan, because our sentence pattern is subject plus wa plus noun plus this ka. So here we have replaced this noun with the question word nan, which means what. So with the help of this pattern, we can ask any question from the person. Here it is one more example: Kazuya-san wa nansai desu ka. So he is asking that, how old are you, Miss Kazuya? So basically, whenever you will ask a question in Japanese, ka will be followed by Japanese period, which is maru. But nowadays It is used to comment a question mark after ka. However, this is a casual way of writing and we can only use it with our friends or family. Whenever you are writing in formal or in an office, then you will have to write maru at the end of ka. This is maru, which is like a full stop of English. So here it is one more example with the casual writing. Ryu wakusei desu ka. Here we have omitted the subject. If we want to use the subject, then our sentence would be like this: Anata wa ryu wakusei desu ka? So our translation would be like this: Are you an international student? Ryu wakusei is international student. Now it's time for exercise. Here A is saying sensei wa dash desu ka, and B is answering hi Nihonjin desu, and we have the options Kankokujin, which is Korean, Nihonjin Japanese, Donata who, and Chugokujin Chinese. Now let's move to the statement. Sensei wa dash desu ka. It means the person is asking about teacher, and the answer is hi Nihonjin desu. So here person is answering yes, he is Japanese. So if we look at the statement of this sentence, so our answer would be Japanese. So here if we will ask sensei wa Nihonjin desu ka, it will become like this: Is sensei a Japanese? Is sensei a Japanese? Then only we can answer like this: yes, he is Japanese. Here it is written in katakana Nanshi, which is a name, san dash, and here we will have to rearrange this by using our pattern subject plus verb plus noun plus desu ka. So now look at the options. Nenshi sa. So this is a subject of our sentence, and after that we will have to add wa particle. So wa will be at number 1. Then noun. Find the noun. Noun will be gakusei, which means student. So number 2 will be gakusei, and number 3 is desu ka. So number 3 this, and 4 is ka. So here it is answer: Nancy san wa gakusei desu ka. Is Nancy a student? Here we have few more exercises to do. Yamada-san dash. Again we will have to use this pattern: subject plus wa plus noun plus desu ka. And our options are this, nansai, wa, ka. And in our previous slide we have learned that we can use some other question words in place of noun. So here we don't have any noun, and in place of that we have nansai, and our translation would be like this: how old is Yamada? Then how we will rearrange it: subject is Yamada-san, after that we will use wa particle, Then in place of noun we have question word, which is nansai, then desu ka. So Yamada-san wa nansai desu ka. Furo-san. Furo is floor, which is a name. Furo-san dash dash dash. Again we have to use this pattern, and this time I guess we have noun, which is Doitsujin. Doitsujin means German. And our translation is Mr. Flo a German? So Furo-san dash. Furo-san is the subject of our sentence. Then we will use wa particle. Then Doitsujin, and then desu ka. So our answer would be like this: Furo-san wa Doitsujin desu ka. And the final is Tomasu-san wa dash. So again we have question word in place of noun. So our answer would be like this: Tomosu-san wa nansai desu ka. We have already a wa here, so we will leave this one. So guys, this was our pattern, how to make a question sentence in Japanese. I hope you guys have understood. If you guys have any doubt, you guys can drop comments in comment box. And please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe the channel as well. And you can use this principle, which is enjoy while learning with 30-45 principle daily. What is 30-45? It means you just have to study for 30 to 45 minutes every day. You don't have to give your whole day on it. And if you will give 30 to 45 minutes, you will be proficient in Japanese. I can assure you about it. So guys, thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Otsukare-sama deshita. Bye bye. Take care. See you guys in next video.